Hello, Excel enthusiastic. Welcome back to the channel. So in today video, we will learn how to fetch multiple column data via VLOOKUP. So uh, as you can see, we want result for quarter one sales and quarter three sales. So we'll apply VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, select the table array. Now, so we will here require two column index number. So we will we will give curly braces and we will look for the index number for quarter one column. So which is 3. Name is first, segment is second, and this is third. That's how you count it. And for quarter three, it is 5 index number, column index number. We will close the curly braces and exact match. So you can see the data has appeared. Quarter one for Priya was 550 and 430 for quarter three, Radha 780 and 650. So in this way you apply VLOOKUP for fetching multiple columns data.